like half a second of delay or so. I'm just looking at the OBS preview, not the actual stream. Maybe it's different somehow. Oh, what the fuck? What the fuck? What the fuck?
This is pretty good.
Oh shit, a YouTube video is playing for some reason. What the fuck was that? I think that's real. I'm pretty sure that's real. Holy shit, I think that's actually a real solve. Did you see that? Of course, I'm not recording, because why would I? I think that's actually a real PB. Fuck. That was just a PLL skip. That wasn't even... Or a last layer skip or something?